Welcome to our facility. We are proud to produce the new VoltMax line, the most reliable and brilliantly shiny copper cables on the market.
Our VoltMax chemical bath flawlessly separates the pure copper from the raw ore. Subscribe now to see the next stage of the tour.
The crushed rock sinks, while our VoltMax solution allows the pure copper particles to rise to the surface,
This is the heart of the VoltMax process. Our brilliantly lit blue chemical bath energetically separates the pure copper from the raw ore.
.99999% pure, highly polished copper plates are instantly melted in our induction furnace.
The glowing red-hot copper wire is instantly cooled, creating a burst of bright white steam while locking in.
And that is the extreme precision, heavy industrial power, and passion it takes, Stains, to manufacture the veins of our...
If you were amazed by how this glowing liquid metal becomes highly advanced electrical wire, make sure to hit subscribe button right now.